We'll show you how to use Microsoft Excel's lookup function to find a value from one row or column in a different row or column. Decide on cell that you would like the user to select from. This is where a drop-down list will be. Select the Data tab, then select Data Validation. A pop-up should appear in the Allow List Pick list. Now to pick your source, select the first column of your list and press Enter. Then click OK when the Data Validation window appears. Now you should see a box with an arrow on. If you click on it, your list should drop down. Select another box where you want the other information to show up. Go to the Formulas tab and Insert Function. Once the box pops up, select Lookup and Reference from the category list. Find Lookup in the list and double-click it. Another box should appear. Click OK. For the lookup value, select the cell with the drop-down list. For the lookup vector, select the first column of your list. For the result vector, select the second column. Click OK. Now, whenever you pick something from the drop-down list, the info should automatically change.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.